this is Dirk from B&B Auto Sales, driving our 63 Olds 88 Holiday Coupe. What a cool cruiser, 60 miles an hour. This thing, 55,686 undocumented miles. What that means is I don't have odometer statements, but back in 2008, it got a oil change with 53,766, so that tells you in 17 years how much it was drove. So the guy who sold it said it's actual miles, but undocumented. I do not, I'm right and clear, you get a title that says exempt. But look at that, this thing is just a cool car. I went over it. I believe it either had a very high-end restoration years ago, because there's a few rock chips here and there, or it's original paint. I cannot feel a paint line. I see no overspray. So I hate to tell you it's original paint, but it certainly could be, or it was a very high-end restoration with no, they may be touched up under the hood a little bit. There's a little black paint on the trim tank, but I can't feel a paint line on the doors, the edge of the hood, edge of the trunk. I think they did redo the trunk floor, but maybe that's original. I mean, this car is so cool, and I'm driving it with one thumb right there. So if you're looking for a cool cruiser, this is it. By all means, got power steering, power drum brakes, because they didn't have power discs back then. So, but there isn't much of a cooler Olds out there, I think, than this Super 88 Holiday Coupe. Just really, really neat. We had to fix I think the only thing we did we had a bad brake wheel cylinder that we fixed. First to second. Second to third. See how reverse is at the end? I have a Buick Special same way. So if you're looking for a cool car, I don't think you'll find one much different than this. Everybody's got a Chevelle and a Mustang, but not too many Olds 88 two-doors out there. 605-695-7391.